Here we have Matthew and Emily on top of the fridge. Okay, who wants to get, hold on a second. Who wants to get down?
Me.
Okay, I'll get you down.
Emily, do you want to get down? No?
Let go.
Do you want me to let go or not?
No.
Watch, I'll
Why?
let go of it. Watch, I'll let go of Emily. Watch.
No.
I got you. I'm holding you back. Matthew, look at me. You're safe. You're okay. I have you.
Okay, who wants to get down?
Me.
Okay.
Watch, I'm gonna grab Matthew's shirt. Got him.
Okay, ready?
I got
Now,
him.
okay, Emily. You can look. Alright, we'll see you later, Em. Where are you going? Do you want to get down? Emily, do you want to get down?
No.
You want to stay up there?
Oh.
This child has zero fear.
What child?
Emily, be careful.
Without any.
Oh.
Be careful, Em.
She loves to get hurt. Little Emelini, little Emelini, little Emelini, who loves to get hurt.
Okay, come on down. Go see Daddy.
Come here.
Go see Dad.
Come on, Emmy. No.
Emmy, come on. Aren't you afraid up there? Aren't you afraid of being all the way on top of the fridge? Emily, Emily, get down. Emily, aren't you gonna get down? Okay, Dad, she has to get down now.
Okay, ready?
Okay, bye, Em.
Say ta-da. There, Emily, ready? You want to touch the ceiling? Ta-da! You more? More. Or all done? You said all done or more? All done? Okay.